And it is time for the last swim of today, 7th of July 2024. It is 5 p.m. and I am at the Snorkelledens Flytbrygga, a jetty and also rocky beach right next to Torpesand Strand that I have visited earlier today, and I can see now it is completely empty like it was before when I was there. And that is because it is quite a windy day today, and despite it being 18 degrees Celsius right now and 15 degrees in the sea, there are not so many people today in this wonderful nature, as this is part of the Björnö Nature Reserve, and you can basically pick up blueberries and other berries here in the forest for free, because there are a lot of it, believe me, and also some tasty mushrooms if there is some rain coming in soon. But yes, I'm gonna take a swim here from the jetty that is here, and this is actually for snorkeling, but I'm not really sure what you can see right here, but yeah, maybe there are some interesting plants that are and sea creatures, obviously, that are interesting to take a look at. But I didn't brought my goggles with me, so yeah. So here it is, Snorkelledens Flytbrygga. That part is being maintained by the Stiftelsen, which is the foundation for the archipelago here in Stockholm. So the jetty looks nice, and there are also steps into the water. And the sun is almost sitting down here because of the many trees that there are, but there is a lot of sun in the sea here. So let's then enjoy a nice swim from this interesting place, where you can also do some barbecuing. I saw there were some briquettes and a place to grill as well, and there are even toilets as well. So off we go into the sea, 15 degrees Celsius, and let's go! Amazing. And I can stand also as well, so it's not that deep, and it's really amazing. Look at that beautiful nature all around. I can see many of the islands in the archipelago from here, because it's actually where the actual open sea starts, and the sea is quite windy today because of the wind. So Björnö Nature Reserve, this one over here is Snorkelledens Flytbrygga, and earlier today I visited Torpesand Strand, that's right over there, and even the rocky nudist beach on the other side towards the sun. It was super windy over there as well. Here we have sandy bottom, and potentially perfect for snorkeling and exploring the sea indeed. So yeah, the sea is a bit cold, 15 degrees, but it feels much more colder because of the upcoming wind and the waves that come in as well. So yes, 7th of July, that's a wrap for beach day number 86 of These Adventures. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!